And we're down here at Southern Cross and in the strawberry fields, and you will not believe the size of these two strawberries. Words can't even describe how big they are. Let's see, you can get an idea there. It's just gorgeous. Look. Strawberries, strawberries, people picking strawberries. Yeah, out in the country. But these mamas are colossal. These are like the Mama Jamazabal strawberries. Oh my, gorgeous.